If you're someone who turns to music when life gets loud, then this piece was written for you. Music is my medicine by Wildflower. Music is my medicine, my quiet cure, my soft reset. When the world gets loud, when my mind gets full, when life feels a little too human, I press play and I remember who I am. Because healing doesn't always roar. Sometimes it hums. A melody wraps around me, finds the pieces I forgot to hold, pulls me back into my body, and rocks me into peace. Music doesn't ask for anything. It just meets me where I am and lifts me where I'm going. Every note is a prayer. Every beat is a blessing. Every rhythm is God reminding me that I am guided, grounded, and never alone. So tonight, like every night, I return to the sound that has always saved me. Because music is my medicine, and it heals me in ways words never could. Thank you.